The Ethereum merge is only 16 days away. What is happening with the price right now? What do we need to see from Ethereum over the next couple of weeks to say, hey, there's going to be a nice rally, that good old buy the rumors, sell the news at the last minute? Well, we're going to be diving into that in today's video, as well as looking at some of the Ethereum ecosystem plays and why they might be interesting as well. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also leave a thumbs up on this video if you do enjoy this kind of content. Now let's get into it. So only 16 days until the Ethereum merge. Obviously, a lot of people in the market are talking about it, thinking about it. Some already saying, well, that rally up to $2,000, that was it. That's what you got. Too much macro headwinds right now for Ethereum to do anything before the merge happens. We shall see, of course, how all of this plays out. I feel like such a big upgrade. It's so impactful, such a big deal. Ethereum and all of the ecosystem related to Ethereum represents 40% of the entire market cap of the entire cryptocurrency space. It's a big damn deal. But then there's the macro scene, which is dragging everything down. So you have to weigh up those two things. But I feel like the Ethereum merge is still an event worth discussing. And also, of course, the related ecosystem plays to Ethereum. So before we look at the Ethereum charts, I actually just wanted to take a quick look at the Optimism chart. So this is the OP token. Remember, you could have got this token for free as an airdrop. We talked about that a lot of times. I hope that some of you guys did pick that up. It was an airdrop worth hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars, depending on how active you were within the Optimism ecosystem. Anyway, so right now, Optimism is looking for a potential breakout from this downtrend that it has been in since early August. So we did see that big rally happening for Optimism, got up to $2.32 from a low of around 40 cents here back in July. Huge rally for Optimism as we saw people aping into the ecosystem, chasing rewards on different DeFi platforms, getting involved in the Optimism network. But I think that these ecosystem plays do have some interesting potential if we get an Ethereum merge rally coming up within the next 2 weeks. Because something like Optimism or Lido Finance, or maybe some of the big DeFi plays like Aave, for example, they're likely to move faster than Ethereum will move percentage-wise compared to ETH. So maybe worth paying attention to some of these, like Optimism, that is looking for a potential breakout from the downtrend that it has been in. So worth keeping an eye on this. Obviously, if we do break out from that downtrend, maybe we start coming back up and pushing towards some of these key areas of previous price resistance, maybe testing some of those highs during that rally. We'll see how that plays out. And of course, I think we need Ethereum to do something in order for that to happen. I don't think we're going to see a significant move for these Ethereum ecosystem plays without a wider Ethereum narrative building up. Now, before we dive into the Ethereum charts, just a reminder that if you don't have an account yet over on Bybit, you need to get yourself one. You can benefit from 0% maker fees. Yes, 0% maker fees, as well as $4,450 in deposit bonuses. Bybit is a great place for longing and shorting all the top coins. They have a huge spot market for altcoins as well. Use the link down below in the description to start your account to benefit from those fee discounts and those deposit bonuses. Okay, now let's talk about Ethereum. So 16 days away from the merge. We actually had a nice little bounce here at this area of support at $1,400. You can see back here on 16th July, that actually acted as an area of resistance. We had on the 27th of July that acting as an area of price support. Going all the way back here into 2021, we see January 2021, we had a lot of price resistance around that range after the major breakout. Price support coming in at that range. So it is a significant level, the $1,400 range, as well as even going back to the previous cycle where it was near the high water mark. So very important price area for Ethereum. And we did see a nice bounce there with actually a good bullish engulfing candle on the daily. So we saw some volume stepping up here. We saw that nice green candle, big strong green candle, bullish engulfing on the daily, strong bounce off of the $1,400 level. Now maybe we start setting ourselves up here for maybe a bull flag, for example, which would help us then come up to test getting over this trend line here. Now that trend line, this is short term anyway, since we topped out at $2,000 back here on the 14th of August, has started to form up a nice trend downwards. We've got those lower highs that keep coming in, currently in one of those, but we need to get up here and start challenging this trend line. Now the big area that I think we need to watch for is right here around 1,600 bucks. You can see massive resistance for 1,600 bucks right around here. We actually broke out, came back down, retested the $1,600 area previously. We can also see here, 19th of August, we had that big candle down, the elevator down, if you will, that did stop right at 1,600 bucks. Over the next couple of days, we saw that area again being an important area. We failed really to get back above it. Next elevator down brought us to, of course, to 1,400 bucks. $1,600, I think, is going to be the line to beat to say that we could see a significant rally coming in here for Ethereum that could lead us back up to, for example, $2,000 in the lead up to the merge. That is key. So the first thing we need to do, get over the downtrend line. Second thing, break 1,600 bucks, and ideally to see that continuation up to $2,000, we want to get a daily close over this right here. That would then give us a new, well, higher high, starting a new uptrend, right? So if we only come up to, for example, 1,600 bucks, that ends up being resistance, well, then this whole move has been nothing but yet another lower high for Ethereum, and won't really change much in the total outlook for the downtrend. Of course, key support does continue to be at $1,400, so any pullbacks, that would be the key area to watch for a bounce to happen at, perhaps for limit orders to go in at or too long from. Otherwise, waiting for a breakout beyond $1,600, I think is going to be a significant move here. Looking forward for any potential rally around the Ethereum merge. Anyway, just my two gwei for the day. What do you think about this Ethereum merge rally? Is it all done? Was our move up to 2,000 bucks? Was that it? Done and dusted? Or do we still have some gas left in the tank that is going to see a rally come here for Ethereum, maybe even getting us back up to $2,000 before the Ethereum merge kicks off? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.